guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the boy Shamsi here. Thanks for tuning into another video. Now today we're going to be attempting to take the stud out of the turbo housing that snapped off when we was doing the decat install. If that don't work, I do have a second-hand turbo. It's 10,000 miles. My current turbo is on about 63,000 miles, so bit of an improvement in terms of performance and longevity. Younger turbo, you know, it's going to perform better. So that's the plan. Drill out the stud. If that don't work, then we're going to put the new turbo on and you guys are going to see the process of doing it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Yep.
We'll jack the car up, undo that one.
Yeah.
Undo the boost hose, take off your lines going into the rest of it, and then we'll have the turbo off in about 20 minutes.
Sweet.
It's mad how quick you can actually get it off. Like, isn't it?
New turbo, second-hand turbo. It's alright. I'm so happy that we got that rounded bolt off. That would have been problems.
It would have been another 6 o'clock.
Decat disconnect. Oh, what? Were you gonna undo the mid pipe? Or is the decat gonna stay there?
Decat's just gonna stay there.
Okay, cool, sweet. All right. Let's get these bolts, manifold bolts off. And then
yeah, that's your turbo all drain pipe off, but I've got some feed we can clean up.
it's coming. Pause.
Okay. Got these 13s off.
Turbo is out, manifold is out. There we go. We got the turbo out. That was a new turbo, but we're gonna have an attempt to try and drill out this bolt here. If this bolt comes out, then happy days. Then we ain't got to worry about replacing this firing in here. So yeah, we're gonna try to do that now, and then yeah, hopefully get it sorted. So we tried it, didn't work. Fuck that. Putting a new turbo on. Manifold separated. Yeah, we just gotta put this onto this one, take off all the stuff, swap it over. Then it's gonna go back on the beast, and then pop and bangs. Hopefully. Let's get it.
Chooky beat.
Sweet, so that's the old turbo over there. This is the new one. We are currently fitting everything back on over to it. So yeah, it should be fantastic. What's next? I've got to fit the dump valve onto it. So the dump valve goes here. I think it goes somewhere like that, and then it should be alright. Yeah. going back in now. We just got to line up the bolts and these, and the gasket, and then we should be golden. Should be great. Let's get it. So we're almost there. All we got to do is tighten up the bolts on the bottom of the manifold. Then after that, plug all the sensors in. Obviously this is for the decat and whatever. This is for the coolant, and the rest of the blue and the black ones for the decat. And these ones over there where my finger is for the blow-off valve and the dump valve and all of that. Basically the boost control. So after that, we should be spitting flames. So very excited. New firing is in case you guys are wondering, right there. Just needs to be close together, and then yeah. But yeah, let's go. So this is the manifold cover. As you can see, for example, the manifold cover will cover here. It's gonna stop along there because obviously you don't need anything below that. And yeah, so the plan is we're gonna cut along the first line and then bend it over to the second line, and then it should be great. Because obviously this part below is for the old catalytic converter, which is not needed because I have a decat on the car. So this will just be taking up space. So essentially this is gonna go. And yeah, so we're gonna get a hacksaw, chop it, and then bend it over. Up, 5, 6, 7. A little update. We've got the turbo on. Now we're just cranking it up to trying to get pressure, oil pressure going through. Obviously we had to take out this fuse right here.
Just tightening up the oil feed return to the bottom of the block. So we've just cracked that off, cranked it over about 6-7 times, like in total. Build up the oil pressure in the turbo. It's pissing out down here, so that's a good sign. We've got that back on. I'm going to clean this up, and then we're good to go.
Lovely.
Lovely jubbling.
The car is on. We're just topping it up now, trying to bleed the system just to get all the air bubbles out. And yeah, the car's not on fire. That's just the WD-40 and a bunch of oils and everything on the turbo.
I'm basically waiting for it to get up to temp, and hopefully the thermostat needs to crack open. It wasn't letting it flipping circulate round. Now pipe's starting to get hot. Cool, cracker back on again.
Sweet. Revy Devi.